Yeah, no. You hold it, huh? You hold it totally. I'm leaving it.
Yeah.
ഇപ്പോൾ വേദന ഉണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ട്. തലവേദന ഇല്ലേ? 220 വരെ എടുത്തിരിക്കുക കേട്ടോ. There. We go for the straight one, doctor.
This one will be more better, sir.
That is what, yeah. It's just the slanting.
So you remove the clothes, it
Yeah.
will be more better, sir.
Yeah, this is fine.
You got it. Press it. Just you hold it.
Yeah. ഇതാ വരുന്നു സിസ്റ്റർ, ഇതാ വരുന്നു. Last time also it was not there.
Let's see the flow.
Yeah, a good flow.
Isn't it?
Yeah. I think there's some adjustment was done, no?
Yeah, sir.
So the flow
Just now
no?
it's reducing, sir. Isn't it?
Yeah.
The flow
What is the flow? Are you reducing the
Yeah.
BP?
Yeah. Just you can see the flow.
Yeah. You're bringing down the this one, no?
Yes, sir.
Reducing to what it has come now? 140, 130. You're reducing it, no?
Yeah. Complete releasing the full pressure.
Yeah. Then we can leave it totally. Yes.
See, sir.
Yeah.
Now it's came to 80, no?
Yeah.
Just about 90-80. Yeah, see, sir. Blood flow.
Now it's good.
It's not necessary to maintain that one.
I think even if it totally, so we'll have to maintain it this level, no, somehow.
Yeah.
No, the flow is better.
See, sir.
You left it
Just I
totally.
left it.
Now it's 40, 30 something.
So flow is changed, eh?
Yeah.
Just I will maintain the dystonic BP.
Yeah.
Just 80.
You are increasing, no?
Just 80.
Yeah. You got make it up to 80, yes.
Yes. Just I maintained it. See the flow.
80 is the best.
See the flow.
That is fantastic. For those people who are so stubborn with the the flow
automatically
is
flow came down.
Yeah.
The flow
The BP is
changed.
coming down as per the
And
flow.
the BP is not released by this.
Yeah.
Automatically the pressure
Yes, it is
that one is
releasing.
going to release. So just I will give that pressure.
Yeah.
See
More
the pressure.
Yes. 1 second. You keep increasing 60, 80. And here it is reflecting actually.
Yeah. See. This is the flow now. It's maintaining in the 80. See, automatic flow will get.
Yeah.
Talakarkam unda. So dryness in mouth and the other symptoms will pass.
Yeah. തൊണ്ട പറ്റുവാണെ പറയണേ. It has come down automatically, no?
Yeah.
You put it till 80 and you left it actually and it came down automatically.
Yeah, sir.
This
is
every
the-
pump, yeah.
Yes.
So it's like we can control the flow.
Yes.
But still, Dushtarakta is only coming, doctor.
Yeah.
Because I can see that.
It will be better, sir. Only get one place.
Yeah.
Only one leg.
For today.
Yeah. The quantity will be more.
Yeah. It is coming down automatically, you see, from there. Doing it. You can shoot it up
Yeah.
to get it more. You can shoot it up and I will reflect it here actually.
This is maintained for 80.
Yeah.
Just see the blood. So,
Yeah. സ്റ്റീം ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയാ ഞാൻ വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് കൊണ്ടുവന്നു. അല്ലെങ്കിലേ ഞാൻ അറിഞ്ഞില്ല നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്റ്റാഫാണ്, ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചില്ല. നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു. എപ്പോഴാ വന്നേ? അയ്യോ അല്ല കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഞാൻ സംശയിച്ച് ഇത് ഉണ്ടോ ഇല്ലെന്നെ ഇവിടെ. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, നടക്കട്ടെ. ഇത് വേണ്ട കേട്ടോ, പുള്ളി ഇപ്പൊ ഈ ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളു. ഇന്നത്തേക്ക് ഒരുപാട്
വേദന ഉണ്ടോ? ഒന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ.
ഇത്തവണ കൂടുതൽ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. കണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ? അതിന് കഴിഞ്ഞോണ്ടില്ലായിരുന്നല്ലേ? ഇത്തവണ കൂടുതൽ വരുന്നുണ്ട്, കണ്ടില്ലേ? കഴിഞ്ഞ പിശുക്കി വന്നത്. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഒന്ന് വന്ന്
കാലം മുന്നിലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഹോൾഡ് ചെയ്യാം. പുറത്തുനിന്ന് വേണ്ട. ഇത് ഇവിടുത്തെ മാത്രം. ഇവിടുത്തെ പിടിക്കാം. ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിക്കാം. ഇത് ഇവിടുത്തെ ടച്ച് ചെയ്യണ്ട.
അങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ മതി അവിടെ. Now the drops are coming. When the drops are coming, it is like this. Okay. Now you just shoot, and now this is the flow that is happening. Drops coming when, but if you shoot it up,
This story.
yeah.
Just
Now
check it.
80, when it comes 80, it is here. When we are maintaining 80, no?
No, it will slow down.
Yeah.
We cannot maintain it.
Yeah.
So when we are going above the 120, no sir?
Yeah.
Just you will see the slow. And afterwards it will get stopped.
Yeah.
See. Now we are going 160,
Yeah.
180.
Okay.
See that's called stop.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, the diastolic, yeah.
Yeah. Diastolic we increased.
Yeah.
So it's going to stop.
Yeah.
So when it will get fall down automatically.
Yeah.
Now it's
That
not
is, yeah.
it's very
Keep
slow.
it on, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's slowly
See
only
the
coming
plus.
down.
So it has to be maintained by diastolic BP.
Of course,
not
of
the
course.
systolic BP.
Of course.
So
Okay,
just
bring it
when
down.
I will bring it
down.
just below 120 you can just now you see.
And now it has started. Now I am getting the flow, and you are somewhere in the 80 well, no?
Just I will maintain the BP.
80, yes.
See,
Yeah, now
flow
it
is
is.
increased. From this side you can take it.
Yeah. That's easier. You put like 110 now. Now it is slow, yeah. The flow is less now, no? I think we just keep maintaining the 80.
Yes, sir.
നല്ലോണം
120,
പോയിട്ടില്ല കണ്ടോ
120.
എണ്ണമയം കണ്ടോ ബ്ലഡിലെ അത്രയും രക്ഷിച്ച ഇടപാടാണ് നടക്കുന്നത്.
I think it's enough. Sir.
Yes. Because 1 second, I will just pity we don't even have a gloves here.